The eggs hatch. After growing for about 3 weeks, the young chicks are ready to break out for the eggs. This is called hatching. Each chick has a sharp point on their top beak, called an egg tooth. It uses its body to push the shell apart. It chips all around the shell. Then it climbs out of the shell. The newly hatched chick chips loudly. It is tired of and its feathers are wet. Once the feathers have dried, they become fluffy. Soon all the chicks have hatched out. Life as a chick. The hen looks after her newly hatched chicks. She keeps them warm under her wings. When they are just 2 weeks old, the chicks can leave the barn or hen house and explore outside. Newly hatched chicks stay close to their mother. Chicks and chickens like to scratch around in the dirt, looking for tasty worms or bugs to eat. Chickens do not have teeth, so they cannot chew their food. They swallow in whole instead. Growing and changing. The chicks grow into adults in just a few months. Glossy feathers grow in place of the soft, fluffy feathers. The chicks grow red, fleshy combs on top of their heads. The combs help to keep them cool. Soon the young hens will start to lay eggs, and a new life cycle will begin. Roosters have colorful feathers and grow larger combs than hens.